Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can clear the browsing data in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this, right guys? So launch the Comet AI web browser, for example, on your desktop computer or laptop. And it works actually almost the same way as on most other web browsers, like on Chrome, for instance, guys. What you want to do is access your browser settings. So here, let me head over to those by clicking into that arrow down icon in the top right. And here guys, navigate to, let me find the delete browsing data there. So click into it or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Delete. And after that, simply customize your deletion of the browsing data, guys. You may go for basic deletion or advanced. And yeah, simply select the items below you would like to keep or delete. Like for example, cached images and files, the download history, browsing data, browsing history, and so on and so forth. For example, for all time or your last week, and confirm by clicking into deleted data there. And that's it guys, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.